90-Day Fiancé star David Toborowski lent his heartbroken family member a shoulder to cry on in his latest emotional update about baby Mira with Annie Suan. David and Annie had been living child-free for almost a decade when they decided to have a kid. Annie underwent IVF, and David got his sperm surgically removed due to his vasectomy, which led him to announce Annie's pregnancy in July 2025. David and Annie flew to Thailand to welcome their child. Mira was born in March 2025, and David and Annie have posted several happy memories with her on social media since then. The news of David and Annie's baby being hospitalized came as a shock to their social media followers. Fans have since been praying for David and Annie's baby's recovery as Mira battles RSV. As per Annie's Instagram post, Mira's ill health has also taken a toll on her family's well-being. Annie posted a video showing her mother crying at the hospital after Mira was taken away to the treatment room. Mira has not been eating, and her cough and fever have been persistent. While Annie's mom was going out to fetch dinner with David, they heard the baby crying in the treatment room. As soon as she heard Mira crying, and that is what happened, Annie added in her caption. In the comments section, David wrote that watching Annie's mom cry absolutely crushed him. He added that it wasn't every day that one gets to comfort their mother-in-law, who is 9 years younger than them. David's fans rushed to provide him with comforting words amid the difficult times. David and Annie's daughter was hospitalized in Pattaya for respiratory syncytial virus, also known as RSV, over the weekend, and, as per the 90-Day Fiancé star, Mira was supposed to be kept under observation for the next few days. David seemed confident about Mira's quick recovery since Annie had taken the vaccination for the condition during her pregnancy. The virus causes infections of the lungs and respiratory tract. The doctors informed David that Mira's condition could worsen before she starts feeling better. Over the weekend, David posted a teary-eyed video revealing Mira was not eating, and her cough and fever were back. She was taken for treatment as the couple stayed hopeful and asked fans for prayers. Annie's mother became emotional after hearing baby Mira cry during treatment. Despite his own voice shaking, David stepped up to comfort her. As someone a decade older, he showed strength and calm in the moment, helping ease her worry and encouraging Annie to stay hopeful during the daughter's difficult health battle. David showed deep emotional strength during his daughter Mira's RSV hospitalization. When Annie's mother broke down after hearing the baby cry, David stayed composed. He comforted her despite his own fears. His steady presence helped the family cope with a tough moment and gave Annie the support she needed to stay calm. Being older than Annie and her mother, David naturally took on the role of emotional anchor. His actions reflected the responsibility he feels for his family's well-being. Even while sharing heartbreaking news with fans, the 90-Day Fiancé star has remained hopeful. David's quiet strength helped guide his loved ones through a time of fear and uncertainty. A husband from 90-Day Fiancé, Happily Ever After, has a surprising relationship goal that will undoubtedly bring challenges to his marriage. 90-Day Fiancé, Happily Ever After. Season 9 just premiered, with some couples facing significant marital issues. Jasmine Pineda and Gino Palazzolo are trying an open marriage. However, he has already kicked her out of his house, leading her to move in with her friend, Matt Brannis. Meanwhile, Elizabeth Pothist and Andrei Kastravit are debating whether to move to Moldova, with Andrei now willing to give his wife an ultimatum to relocate to his home country. Newlyweds Tiger Lily Taylor and Adnan Abdel Fattah are now facing disagreements over religious differences. In a recent episode of the 90-Day Fiancé spin-off, Tiger Lily went to the airport to pick up Adnan, who had just moved to the United States on a spousal visa. However, during the drive, she shared a troubling revelation about Adnan's desires. Tiger Lily revealed that Adnan has been pressuring her to convert to Islam, despite her Christian faith never being an issue earlier. She said, "I think he really wants me to be Muslim." She expressed feeling blindsided when Adnan gave her an English version of the Quran, the Islamic holy book. While Tiger Lily is open to their child being raised as a Muslim, she is overwhelmed by the idea of being pressured into changing her faith. She admitted, there is just some pressure now, and I really don't know what to do." Tiger Lily is currently facing a very difficult situation. Prior to Adnan, she was married to an American man, with whom she had 2 children. She felt suffocated in that marriage as her husband restricted her from having friends, leading her to seek a divorce. However, her new husband, Adnan, appears to be just as controlling as her previous one. Adnan is exerting control over how Tiger Lily behaves and even her dressing style. He is now pushing her to convert to Islam, despite her other 2 children being Christian. Tiger Lily was blindsided by Adnan's wishes, which could create significant challenges in their marriage down the road. She believes that her husband failed to communicate his expectations before they got married and is now pushing her to convert to Islam. This could lead her to question what else Adnan may be hiding. At the moment, Tiger Lily doesn't seem prepared to accept Islam. She appears to be waiting to live with Adnan and see if he will stop pressuring her to convert. Nonetheless, it's expected that there will be even bigger cultural and religious hurdles in the couple's future. It's unfair of Adnan to pressure Tiger Lily. Faith is a personal choice, and Tiger Lily has already embraced Christianity, so there's no need for her to feel pressured into converting to Islam. She seems to be struggling emotionally with the idea of choosing between Islam and Christianity. Adnan's demands make him seem manipulative and controlling, which may cause Tiger Lily distress and led her to reconsider their relationship. Hopefully, the 90-day fiancé, happily ever after couple will have open communication in the future to avoid further complications.